And moving on now to the other big political story, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar all set to meet the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for lunch today. This lunch is being hosted in honor of the Mauritius Prime Minister's visit to the national capital. In fact, he arrived in Delhi earlier in the day and went straight to Bihar Bhavan, from where he left for the Prime Minister's residence. In fact, Nitish Kumar's decision to skip the opposition lunch and attend the Prime Minister's lunch has only given rise to speculation about his growing bonhomie with the BJP. Now, sources also suggest that this just could be a new bid to distance himself from Lalu Prasad Yadav, who is already finding himself in the midst of a new controversy over controversial land deals. Nitish also did not really offer any support or defend his ally and RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav over the recent Benami land deal controversy. And as speculation mounts over Nitish Kumar's growing closeness with the BJP, let's just listen in to just how the BJP President Amit Shah and Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad responded when asked just why the BJP never criticizes the Bihar Chief Minister.
लालू यादव की तो बीजेपी बहुत निंदा करती है, नीतीश पे थोड़ी मेहरबान और नरम लगती है। क्या नीतीश कुमार का घर वापसी का रास्ता खुला है?
नीतीश कुमार का कुछ पकड़ा गया है क्या? नहीं, खामखा निंदा करे भाई हम। लालू जी की पर जो उनके परिवारजनों की संपत्ति का जिस प्रकार से पर्दाफाश हुआ,
आप सवाल समझ रहे हैं फिर भी अनजान बन रहे। सवाल यह है कि क्या नीतीश कुमार और बीजेपी की
मैं जवाब ही दे रहा हूं, समझो ना। हमने किसी को नहीं बख्शा है भाई। लालू जी के परिवार की संपत्तियों का पर्दाफाश हुआ तो उनकी निंदा करिए।
आजकल कहा जा रहा है कि मोदी जी को कौन पसंद करे ना करे, लेकिन बीजेपी को नीतीश कुमार अच्छे लगने लगे हैं बिहार में। कितना सच है?
अन्ना जी, आज सारे टेढ़े सवाल आप ही पूछ रहे हैं। देखिए, ऐसा है, नीतीश जी हमें छोड़कर नहीं गए, हमने नीतीश जी को नहीं छोड़ा, वो हमें छोड़कर चले गए। ये पहले आप फैक्ट को समझ लीजिएगा। 2013 में आपको याद है। अब ठीक है, लालू जी के साथ है, सुशासन बाबू की जबान बंद है, रोज बरोज नए नए घोटाले सामने आ रहे हैं, एविडेंस के साथ आ रहे हैं, तो हम उसकी मजबूरी समझते हैं। लेकिन नीतीश जी हमको भाए नहीं भाए, वो तो अटल जी की सरकार से हमारे साथ थे, अभी कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं है। लेकिन नीतीश जी को लालू जी कितना भा रहे हैं, ये सवाल तो आपको उनसे पूछना पड़ेगा ना, मुझसे नहीं।
Let's go straight across now to Anand Patel for more on this. Anand, I was just listening to what Sitaram Yechury had to say. He said that the party was well represented by Sharad Yadav and KC Tyagi. But Nitish Kumar, the party president, was conspicuous by his absence, and him turning down the invite, by Sonia Gandhi and accepting a lunch invite by the Prime Minister has created a lot of buzz, isn't it?
Well, that's right. Ever since this news broke that Nitish Kumar is going to attend the lunch hosted by Prime Minister in the honor of Mauritius Prime Minister Pravind Jagannath, speculations are rife, and the reason why a lot of buzz is there is because the strained relations between JDU and RJD ever since the ED conducted raids against Lalu Yadav and his family members over graft cases. Now, RJD has been complaining that JDU has not stood firmly with RJD in this hour of crisis for them, and JDU has not been vocal against the NDA government, which is using the agencies to humiliate Lalu Prasad Yadav and his family. So these strained relations, have become a talking point, and the manner in which Lalu Yadav tweeted when the ED raids were conducted that congratulations to BJP for a new ally.
Okay.
Now, RJD did explain this tweet and saying that it was because not because of the strained relationships, it was the security agencies which raided Lalu and his family members. So clearly, a lot of things going on behind the curtain as well, and obviously JDU is not very comfortable with the kind of raids which ED is conducting, and the leaders have not been vocal also.
Okay. So Anand, that's the relationship between RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav and Nitish Kumar. But what about a possible tie-up, all that talk of a possible tie-up between the JDU and the BJP, which Nitish Kumar himself has very firmly refuted in the past. But interestingly, the BJP not really going out there and openly criticizing the chief minister.
Well, yes, there is, because, you know, all the charges are against RJD, the ally of JDU, remember, and we just heard Ravi Shankar Prasad saying that it was not BJP which dumped Nitish Kumar. It was Nitish Kumar's choice to move away from the alliance and joining hands with RJD ahead of the assembly polls. Now, obviously, you know, it comes with lot of baggage for Nitish Kumar, you know, the kind of cases which are there against Lalu Prasad Yadav, the scam-taint RJD leaders, obviously are a worry for Nitish Kumar and JDU. And definitely, you know, BJP, it's a win-win situation for them. So clearly, speculation are there, and BJP leaders are saying, you know, that it's up to Nitish Kumar to choose a partner. And definitely with things moving in a positive direction, BJP obviously is in a better position, and that's the reason why the leaders are open to comments on its relationship with Nitish Kumar. And since he's meeting the Prime Minister today, more speculation over this BJP-JDU relationship.
All right, Anand, thanks so much for joining us.